Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2003 Ford Focus CL hatch. Stock reference number 4541. This shape runs from the first month 2001 through to the 6th month 2005. It has a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a bit of paint peeling and some scuffs on the cover. Left front door has 2 small dents and a large dent. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover on it. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror does have clear peeling and a few scratches. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, this vehicle has manual window regulators. It's fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and would like to thank you for watching this video.